Carson MicroBrite Plus 60x-120x. LED lighted pocket microscope. Portable handheld microscope STEM toy. Mini microscope for student science lab. Educational portable microscope MM300. Light source type LED. Model name MM300. Material plastic. Color black, gray. Product dimensions to 0.5L. X 1 to W by 3.5H. Magnification maximum 120x. Item weight to 0.08 ounces. Voltage 1.5 volts. Brand Carson. Compatible devices smartphone. Pocket microscope. The MicroBrite Plus LED pocket microscope is compact and lightweight, making it the perfect educational toy for portable use as a field microscope or classroom lab microscope. Educational toy. Add this STEM toy to any classroom science kit to bring educational content to life. The MicroBrite encourages hands-on exploration and a deeper understanding of the natural world. Bright LED illumination. The built-in advanced light system of this handheld microscope for kids evenly shines bright LED light onto specimen to provide clear vision and accurate observations. High magnification. With a versatile magnification range of 60x to 120x, the MicroBrite can adapt to any experiment, providing stunning accuracy and precision. When viewing prepared microscope slides or everyday objects under the microscope. Designed and lab tested in New York by Carson, USA optics experts since 1990. With over 30 years of experience in the optics industry, Carson's product line has grown exponentially to encompass a wide range of products and accessories that reflect the needs of its customers. Carson has a dedicated team of engineers whose sole mission is to improve the customer experience. Carson MicroBrite Plus Pocket Microscope. Click to play video. Discover, learn, and explore the wonders of the natural world with the Carson MicroBrite Plus LED lit pocket microscope. With up to 120x magnification and LED lighting, kids, adults, students, and professionals alike can witness the tiniest details come to life in this powerful portable tool. Lab-tested magnification. Our team of engineers personally test each and every one of our optical products for 100% magnification accuracy. Don't be fooled by what you see. Carson Pocket Microscope. LED lit microscope. LED lighted. Portable microscope. Digisopping. Bright LED lighting. Reveal all the hidden details with our advanced LED lighting system. Built-in bright LED lights help you observe clear, detailed images with ease. Carson MicroBrite Pocket Microscope. Student Microscope. STEM toys, education, microscope for kids. 60x, 120x zoom magnification. With a versatile magnification range, the MicroBrite adapts to your needs with precision. Adjust the zoom of your MicroBrite for stunning accuracy. Carson Microscope. Microscope how-to. Portable microscope. Handheld microscope. Microscope instructions. For best results, microscope base must be flush against a flat viewing surface, with the LED light turned on to provide the highest clarity images in your studies.